Make a great choice today with the 2021 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.